Hello and welcome again to Blue Garden Cottage. And it is a glorious, beautiful day. Especially welcome to new subscribers as well. Lovely to have you along. I am just enjoying the view of the new flowers just opened, all the tulips, the anemones. There's some narcissi, absolutely beautiful. Double flowers. I think I've shown you those before, haven't I? Lovely. The honeyberries are in flower. Everything's looking so good in the sunshine. Everything looks better in the sunshine, doesn't it? And I'm particularly loving the blue hyacinth. And I didn't know you had yellow ones as well, but we have yellow hyacinth, which is really lovely because opposite, just there, is the yellow lilac. I can't wait for those to one day flower. But the blue is particularly what I wanted, and I have the blue, and it actually is blue, not purple, especially in there. Look at that, it's real blue, not purple. But that is all lovely. The irises are still going, they haven't flowered yet, and the peonies are coming up. So there's a lot of excitement to go. And look, some of the forget-me-nots have come back. That Senecchio just looks amazing when the light hits it. That fur on the leaves looks white. That's why it's called angel wing, that Senecchio. Oh, the sunshine. So lovely and warm, and this part of the garden gets the most sunshine in the afternoon, but it is still in the back, so let's go and have a look in the back. And there we go, sunshine in the back garden. As you can see now here, though, the sun is on the other side of the house, so the shade is already coming over, and where the shade is, oh, it's so cold. But the sunshine is glorious and I enjoy it while it lasts. I'm sure that because the sun is shining, the little solar panel up there is going to light these, and we'll sit inside and still see the lights even in the dark of the fairy lights. It's so nice. The children love it. This morning, very early, by 8:45, we had taken our grandson up to the beach. It's a pebble beach, and we went up there this morning. That early, there was nobody around, which was good, but I tell you what, the sun was absolutely glorious and beautiful. The views were lovely, but oh, was it so cold. It was absolutely freezing. The sunshine belied the actual coldness of the wind that was blowing. As you can hear, we still have a wind blowing now, and that's cold here in the shade. But it was worth freezing and having the wind blow right the way through our coats and left me with quite a nasty earache. But it was worth it just to sit in the sunshine and to hunt little bits of sea glass just because it's pretty, and a few little pretty pebbles that look gem-like. And we found a few tiny little fossils. Don't know if you can see that very well in this light. Little ammonite little fossil there, and what looks like the shape of a mussel there, a little shellfish mussel, and there as well the shape of a limpet shellfish in there, and it actually still looks like the shell, but it's embedded with the rock. Even some of the rock is on the inside of it, so we just love that. So I brought that home just because it was cute. A few little fossils. I might stick them in the little box top that I want to use for the tabletop. I'll see what else I can put in. But right now I just want to enjoy the sunshine amidst all the chaos and the fear and the craziness out there. Take a moment to recognize all the good and the lovely and the wonderful things that happen as well. Especially on Mother's Day, that all women, whether you have your own children or not, are mothers, because at some point in your life and most days actually. I think every woman has a lot of opportunity to love and be kind and to serve and to guide people. So here's a happy Mother's Day to all women, and even to the fathers who have to do some of the mothering as well if they're on their own. Oh, there are insects flying all over the place already. It's amazing what a little bit of sunshine can do. So there you go, folks. Oh, look at the... Well, you can't see from here, can you? There, now you can. The Achillea. Yeah, look how luminous it looks with the sunshine. And of course, you just stroke those leaves and the smell, the scent is so heady and beautiful. Listen to the birds. Oh, I'll have to go back in so they can come back out and have their food, because they won't come out to eat while we're in the garden. They're not that tame yet. The children are playing in the neighbours' gardens. It's just so lovely out here. I'm going to take a few minutes just to chill. And there you go, a lovely, peaceful, quiet afternoon, even and especially with the sound of children. It's lovely. There you go, people, wherever you are. Oh, there's a dandelion flower right there. You see it? All right, people, I hope you've had a lovely afternoon wherever you are, and that you've had some lovely weather too, at least. Make the most of it and enjoy it. Take care, everybody. Speak to you soon. If you haven't already done so, do like, subscribe, share and comment. Hit the notification bell so that when I do post videos, you can be notified of it. I'm always happy to hear from people too. Take care all. Bye bye.